have Dr. Saurabh Vatsa, Assistant Professor at Department of History, Shaheed Bhagat Singh College, University of Delhi. And we asked sir about some CUET UG tips and tricks. So sir, in history MCQs, how can students avoid confusion between similar looking options?
So first of all, confusion is a good thing. Confusion means that at least out of the 4 options or 5 options that you have, you can narrow it down to 2 options. Okay, so that's in that sense, it shows that you have a decent amount of preparation. Now, how do we eliminate the confusion? First of all, look at the question. What is the question asking? And there are really no shortcuts here. The more you revise, the more that particular question or those options have passed before your eyes. The number of times, the repetition becomes important here. So if you have done enough revisions, if you have repeated the text enough number of times, it's very easy to eliminate the confusion. Let's suppose even after the preparation it happens. So remember that 20% of the questions are such that you will not be able to solve them. The key of cracking any MCQ based exam is you have to be right 80% of the times. So if 20% of the questions are very difficult, don't waste your time in questions which perhaps most of the people or the candidates will not be able to solve. You focus on the 80% of the questions because the selection happens through those 80% questions. Out of those 20%, you can take a reasonable guess. So that's how I think you can tackle those questions where there's a confusion.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all.